Okay, so artificial intelligence, AI, it's everywhere right
Yeah,
now.
it really is. And it's not just, a buzzword anymore. It's like actually changing how we do marketing. You know what I mean?
Right, like how we figure out who our audience is, like, or how we get the most out of our ad
Yeah,
campaigns.
exactly. It's like a total game changer. And speaking of game changers, we actually found this really cool opportunity. It's a 5-day masterclass in Dubai, all about AI and marketing.
Dubai. Wait, hold on. Seriously, Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai.
Okay.
It's run by this company, SEO International. They've been around forever, like over 20 years.
Wow.
And they're a Google partner firm, so they really know their stuff.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. Like learning from the pros.
Yeah.
In Dubai. Okay, so tell me more about this masterclass. When is it?
It's happening November 11th to the 15th, 2024,
Uh,
at the JW Marriott Hotel, you know,
uh,
in the Dubai Marina.
nice. Okay, so a pretty amazing location too. But what will people actually learn? Like, is it just a generic marketing course?
No, not at all. This is like a deep dive into how AI is impacting everything. SEO, Google Ads, content marketing, social media, even Google Analytics for,
G4.
right?
Right, that's the new version. That's all about like cookieless tracking, right?
Yeah, exactly. GA4 is like the future.
Okay.
And this course teaches you how to use it to get better insights, and make smarter decisions, even without cookies.
So it's not just theory. Like they actually teach you how to use this stuff in your everyday work.
Right, exactly. They'll show you how to do things like write really good prompts for ChatGPT, which is actually harder than it sounds.
Yeah, for sure.
And they'll show you how to maximize your ROI on Google Ads, using those AI bidding strategies.
AI bidding strategies. What does that even mean?
Okay, so imagine you're running a Google Ads campaign and you want to get as many conversions as possible.
Yeah.
At a certain cost per acquisition.
Right.
So instead of like manually setting your bids, you can use an AI bidding strategy called Target CPA. And the system will automatically adjust your bids in real time.
Oh, wow. So it's like the AI is doing all the hard work for you.
Yeah, pretty much. And that's just one example. There are tons of different AI bidding strategies out there, depending on what your goals are. Whether it's like maximizing clicks or conversions or whatever.
Okay, so this is starting to sound like something that every marketer should know about, at least a little bit. What about the other tools they're covering?
Oh, yeah, they cover a ton, like 27 different AI tools.
Wow.
Things like Midjourney for making visuals and Synthesia for videos, and of course, ChatGPT for all sorts of things.
27 tools. That's a lot. Okay, let's say I'm a marketer and I'm totally overwhelmed by AI. Why should I learn about this stuff right now?
Well, the thing is, AI is already changing how we do marketing,
Right.
like how we understand our audiences and create content and all that. And if you wait too long to get on board, you're going to fall behind. You know what I
Well,
mean?
right. It's like showing up to a marathon when everyone's already halfway done.
Exactly. And this masterclass is like your chance to catch up. They'll show you how to use these tools to create better content, more engaging content, and personalize customer experiences, and even automate all those boring tasks so you can focus on the big picture.
It's like giving marketers superpowers.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
All right. I'm sold. This stuff is important. So let's break down the specifics, starting with AI SEO strategies. What's the key takeaway? Like for someone who wants their content to be seen in this crazy online world.
Well, the key is understanding how search engines use AI to understand content and rank it. So in this masterclass, they'll teach you how to use AI for keyword research and on-page optimization and backlink analysis, and even how to understand those Google algorithm updates, which seem to change like every other day.
Yeah, seriously. So it's not about just stuffing keywords into your content anymore.
No, it's about creating content that people actually want to read, and then using AI to make sure it's optimized in a way that Google understands.
Got it. And they covered YouTube SEO
right.
too.
Oh, yeah, definitely. YouTube is huge, and knowing how to optimize your videos is so important.
For sure. So you're learning how to dominate search results everywhere. Okay, what about Google Ads? I hear AI is a big deal there too.
It is. It's changing everything. They'll go deep into how to create really effective Google ad campaigns, and they'll teach you about those smart bidding strategies we talked about.
Yeah.
And they'll even cover how to use AI for ad copywriting and creative optimization.
So it's not just about like setting a budget and crossing your fingers anymore.
Nope. You're using AI to make sure every dollar you spend is actually working for you.
I like it. And they cover those Performance Max campaigns too.
Yeah, those are like Google's newest thing. It's all about using AI to automate your campaigns across all the different channels.
All the channels, so like search and display and YouTube.
And Gmail and
Okay.
Discover
Wow.
and Maps. Yeah, pretty much everything.
Wow. So it's like having an AI campaign manager working for you 24/7.
Yeah, something like that.
This is a lot to take in. Performance Max, AI bidding
Yeah.
strategies, GA4, 27 different tools. It's like a whole new world.
It is.
But it sounds like they cover pretty much everything you need to know to stay ahead of the curve, in this whole AI marketing thing.
They do, yeah. So before the break, we were talking about how this masterclass really dives into the specifics of using AI in each area of digital marketing.
Yeah, it's one thing to know that Google uses AI for SEO,
Mm.
but like how do you actually use that knowledge,
Yeah.
you know, as a marketer?
Right. And that's what's so cool about this course. They don't just tell you AI is important, they show you how to use it. So let's say you're writing a new blog post and you're trying to figure out which keywords to target.
Okay.
So instead of using those old keyword research tools, you can use AI tools that analyze all these different things, search patterns and user intent and what your competitors are doing.
So you get a much better understanding of what people are actually searching for.
Yeah, exactly. And it goes beyond just keywords. Like AI can help you look at your old content and see what's working and what's not. And it can even give you ideas for new content based on what's trending and what your audience is interested in.
That's pretty amazing. It's like having an AI content strategist on your team.
Yeah, kind of.
What about backlinks? Those are still important for SEO, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Backlinks are huge. And AI can help you find really good backlink opportunities. And it can even automate your outreach.
So you don't have to waste time manually searching for websites to link to you.
Right. And they even talk about this thing called blended SEO, which is basically combining AI with the old school SEO tactics.
So you're using the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about Google. What about optimizing for other platforms?
Oh, yeah, they cover that too. A big part of the course is about optimizing your Google business profile.
Which is super important for local businesses.
Totally. If you want people to find you in their area, you got to make sure you show up in those local search results.
Exactly, and they'll teach you how to do that.
Right. Yeah, they'll teach you how to make sure your information is up to date
Mm-hmm.
and how to get good customer reviews and how to use good pictures.
Yeah, those are all important.
And they even cover YouTube SEO.
Yeah, which is a whole other beast.
It is. YouTube's the second biggest search engine in the world.
Well, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so they teach you how to get more views on your videos and how to get people to engage with them and how to optimize your titles and descriptions and tags and even how to create those eye-catching thumbnails.
It sounds like they really emphasize video content.
They do. Video is huge right now, and AI can help you create better videos and optimize them and get them seen by more people.
Okay, cool. So let's switch gears and talk about AI and Google Ads. I'm really interested in those AI bidding strategies you mentioned.
Yeah, those are pretty awesome. Basically, instead of setting your bids manually and constantly adjusting them, you let the AI do it for you. So the system looks at all this data in real time and adjusts your bids to help you reach your goals, whether it's getting more clicks or conversions or whatever.
So it's like the AI is finding the perfect bid for you.
Yeah, exactly. And they'll teach you how to choose the right bidding strategy and how to keep an eye on your campaigns to make sure you're not wasting money.
Got it. What about those Performance Max campaigns? I keep hearing about those.
Oh, yeah, those are really cool. It's Google's way of using AI to manage your campaigns for you across all their different platforms.
Okay, so like search and display and YouTube.
All of them. Search, display, YouTube, Gmail, Discover Maps, the whole shebang.
So it's basically like having an AI campaign manager.
Yeah, pretty much.
And they teach you how to use it.
Yeah, they walk you through the whole thing, how to set it up and manage it and get the most out of it.
Awesome. Okay, so we've covered SEO and Google Ads. Let's move on to Google Analytics 4. I know a lot of marketers are still trying to figure out GA4. Why is it so important?
Well, it's the future of data analysis, basically. And this masterclass helps you understand why and how to use it. It's all about getting a better understanding of your customers, and how they interact with your brand across all the different touch points.
Like their phones and their computers and their tablets.
Exactly. And GA4 can track all that, even in a world where we don't have cookies anymore.
Right. It's a big deal.
It is. And GA4 uses machine learning to fill in the gaps where we don't have data.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's like GA4 is a detective, using AI to solve the mystery of your customers.
I like that. Okay, so what will people actually learn about GA4 in this masterclass?
They'll learn how to set up their GA4 properties and track events and analyze all the data. And they'll even learn how to use predictive modeling to see what might happen in the future.
Predictive modeling. What's that?
So basically, GA4 can use all the data it's collected to predict what might happen in the future, like which customers are most likely to buy something, or what products are going to be popular.
So you can actually see into the future.
Kind of. It's not magic, but it's pretty close.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've covered SEO, Google Ads, GA4. Let's talk about content marketing. How is AI changing the way we create content?
Oh man, it's changing everything.
Yeah.
Like AI can help you come up with content ideas and create content really quickly and personalize the experience for each user and optimize your content for different platforms.
So it's not just about writing blog posts anymore.
Nope, it's about creating a whole content ecosystem that's tailored to your audience.
And they teach you how to do that.
Yeah, they introduce you to all these different AI tools that can help, like Jasper.
Jasper.
Yeah, it's an AI writing assistant. It can help you write all sorts of stuff, blog posts, social media, captions, email, subject lines, product descriptions. You just give it a little bit of information and it can write something awesome in seconds.
Wow. Does it sound robotic, though?
Not really. AI is getting better and bigger at sounding human, and actually it can help you write better too. Like it can suggest different words and phrases and even tones of voice.
So you're not just letting the AI do all the work. You're using it to improve your own writing.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Last but not least, AI and social media marketing. How is AI changing how we do social media?
Well, social media is always changing, right? But AI is giving us the tools we need to keep up. Like it can help us understand our audience better and create content that they actually want to see and optimize our campaigns and even manage our social media accounts.
So it's not just about scheduling posts and hoping for the best anymore.
Nope. AI can actually analyze social media data to see what's trending and what people are talking about. And it can even predict what kind of content is going to perform well.
So you can use data to make better decisions about your social media strategy.
Exactly. And they'll teach you how to use all these different AI tools for social media listening.
Social media listening, what's that?
It's like keeping an eye on what people are saying about your brand, your industry, and your competitors.
Yeah.
So you can see what's going on and adjust your strategy accordingly.
Got it. So you're not just talking at people, you're actually listening to them.
Right. And they'll also teach you how to use AI for social media advertising, which is getting really advanced. Like you can target very specific audiences and optimize your ad spending and even create ads that change based on who's seeing them.
Wow. This is a lot. It sounds like AI is taking over the entire marketing world.
Well, in a way it is. But it's not about being replaced by AI. It's about learning how to use AI to your advantage.
So you can be a better marketer.
Exactly.
So we've talked about a lot. AI, SEO, Google Ads, GA4, content marketing, social media.
True. It's all up.
But I think the big question is like, what does this all mean, for our listeners?
Right. We've talked about all these tools and strategies and everything, but it's like, where do you even start?
Right. It can be pretty overwhelming.
It can, and that's where this masterclass comes in. It's not just about like understanding AI, it's about actually learning how to use it.
Yeah. Like in the real world.
Exactly. They'll show you how to choose the right tools and set them up and understand the data so you can make good decisions.
It's like having a personal AI coach.
Yeah, I like that. And you don't have to become an AI expert overnight.
Right.
This masterclass will give you a good foundation, and then you can just keep learning and experimenting.
Yeah. Baby
But,
steps.
yeah.
See what works for you.
And the cool thing is AI is always changing, so there's always something new to learn.
It's a lot to keep up with. But it sounds exciting.
It is. AI is changing marketing forever. And if you learn how to use it, you'll be way ahead of the game.
It's like a whole new era of marketing.
Yeah, it really is.
So if you want to be a part of it, check out this masterclass. They have all the information on their website.
Yeah, the course outline, the
Yeah.
pricing, testimonials from people who've taken it before.
It's a great opportunity to learn from the best and become a leader in this whole AI marketing thing.
So what are you waiting for? The future is here.
And it's powered by AI.
So go out there and learn about it and experiment.
Yeah.
And never stop learning.
Thanks for joining us for the deep dive. We'll see you next time.